viewers, welcome back to our channel for video today. We are going to share with you Montevista, a municipality in Davao de Oro, Philippines, is renowned as the Christmas lighting capital of Davao de Oro due to its annual Diwanag Festival. This festival, whose name combines Diwa spirit and Masanag bright, celebrates the bright Christmas spirit and has been a tradition since its inception in 1999. A Diwanag Festival typically commences in early December, with the 2024 edition having opened on December 14th to 15th at the Montevista Municipal Hall. The event features a grand opening ceremony complete with a fireworks display, attracting both locals and visitors. Highlights of the festival include elaborately decorated tunnels of lights, replicas of famous churches adorned with Christmas decor, and various exhibits that showcase the creativity of the community. In addition to the visual displays, the festival hosts events such as the Governor's Night, set against a backdrop of dazzling holiday lights and showcasing the province's cultural heritage. The festival grounds, located at the Montevista Municipal Hall, can accommodate a large number of visitors, with previous years seeing attendance figures in the hundreds of thousands. Features like displays created by individual barangays, adding a community-driven charm to the event. Each participating barangay showcases its unique creativity with thematic light installations. Themes often revolve around Christmas, Filipino culture, or local traditions, with some barangays crafting nativity scenes, Christmas villages, or even symbolic designs representing their community. A friendly competition among barangays is sometimes held, encouraging them to outdo each other with innovative and elaborate displays. Judges evaluate the displays based on creativity, craftsmanship, and adherence to the theme, with prizes awarded to the most outstanding entries. Residents of each barangay come together to plan, design, and construct the displays, fostering a sense of pride, and utilitarian artisans and volunteers often play significant roles in bringing these displays to life. Barangay displays are strategically located within or near the Montevista Municipal Hall grounds, ensuring they are part of the main festival route. In some cases, barangays also set up displays in their own areas for those who want to explore beyond the central festival zone. The entire municipal hall is adorned with millions of LED lights, creating intricate designs that reflect Christmas themes. Popular motifs include giant Christmas trees, nativity scenes, star lanterns, paroles, and other festive imagery. In some editions of the festival, the lights are synchronized to Christmas carols or popular holiday music, offering a dynamic and mesmerizing experience. Each year, the decorations feature a unique theme, showcasing the creativity of local artists and designers. Past themes have included traditional Filipino Christmas elements and modern festive designs. The brightly lit municipal hall serves as a stunning backdrop for photos and selfies. Families, friends, and couples often gather for group photos. Carries deep symbolism that resonates with the spirit of Christmas and the community's identity. The illumination of the municipal hall signifies hope and optimism, especially during the holiday season. The dazzling lights serve as a beacon of positivity and renewal, inspiring the community to look forward to a brighter future. The festival's light display brings people from all walks of life together, symbolizing unity and camaraderie. Residents and visitors gather to celebrate as one, reflecting the Filipino value of bayanihan community spirit. Many of the designs, such as nativity scenes and star lanterns, are rooted in Christian traditions, emphasizing the importance of faith during Christmas. located near or within the vicinity of the municipal hall, the fountain becomes a focal point for visitors. Its incorporation into the lighting design enhances the visual spectacle of the festival. The fountain display is usually synchronized with colorful lights and Christmas-themed music. Dancing water jets move in harmony with the rhythm of the music, creating a dynamic and mesmerizing performance. Food stalls serve Filipino Christmas favorites like bibingka, puto bumbong, grilled skewers, and refreshing drinks. Vendors sell handmade crafts, Christmas decor, and unique souvenirs representing Montevista's culture. Children can meet Santa Claus for photos and small giveaways. Interactive storytelling sessions for kids, often centered around Christmas tales. Evening programs at the Diwanag Festival are designed to enhance the festive atmosphere and create a magical experience for visitors. Sometimes, special guest performers are invited to make the evening even more special, adding a touch of variety to the entertainment lineup. Some fireworks shows are synchronized with music, adding to the festive mood and making the display even more spectacular. The Diwanag Festival began in 1999, initiated by the Montevista local government to spread Christmas cheer and foster community unity. The word Diwanag is a blend of Diwa spirit and Nasanag bright, symbolizing the bright and festive spirit of Christmas. Over the years, the festival has grown to become a key cultural and tourist attraction in Davao de Oro. The Ferris wheel is often the centerpiece of the festival's carnival zone, adorned with vivid Christmas lights and decorations. At night, the Ferris wheel becomes a stunning spectacle, with its rotating lights visible from a distance, adding to the festive ambience. From the top, riders can enjoy a panoramic view of the entire festival grounds, including the brightly lit displays, the municipal hall, and surrounding areas. Christmas-themed decor. Many of the rides are decorated with Christmas lights and holiday motifs, enhancing the festive ambience. Tickets for rides are typically affordable, and you can purchase them at ticket booths located within the festival grounds. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless and be safe.